Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shine Ellis, known as Crazy CC2. Now in this video I'll be showing you sweet Korean pancake mix. That's what we're doing. It's actually going to be a voiceover video, so thank you for clicking on this video and please enjoy. Bye. Hey guys, so this is the box that it comes in and the packaging looks so good. It's just telling you that it needs to be on medium heat on a frying pan, and as we flip to the side it's just telling you that it's easy to make at home and it rests in just 5 minutes, which is great. So all the ingredients will be warm water, cooking oil, bowl, frying pan and a spatula. Step 1 is to get the flour dough, add the yeast and warm water. And step 2 was divide your dough into 8 balls, flatten it and fill it up with the center. It's just telling you how to fry it, but I will show you everything and how I do it. Now here I'm just taking the ingredients out of the box. Please enjoy the next clip as it took me a very long time to do the stop motion or animation. So enjoy. Now this is the other sachet, it's just the filling. To me it just looks like a mixture of brown sugar and some nuts. I'm just setting it aside in a bowl. And in a clear bowl, I'm just adding the flour mixture that came in the box, as well as the yeast and some warm water. And in this moment I knew I f***ed up. As you can clearly see, I realised I needed to use a fork and went straight in with my hands. Just kept sticking all over me and couldn't get this off my hands. So moving on, we're just taking the dough out of the bowl and sprinkling the rest of the flour onto it, just so you can get your money's worth. No, I just just use all of the powder. I mean, my hands were dirty, so clean hands. So moving on, we're gonna have a clean surface in 3, 2, 1. This is just for a bigger space to knead my dough, and obviously after 5 minutes or so it's gonna be nice and smooth like that. And obviously you're gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes, and after I touched this, oh my god, it felt like butter. And as you can clearly see, I'm just flattening it and shaping it just to have an elongated shape, just to make it long. I'm making it long, okay, so I can cut it into 8 pieces. That's it. But after I cut it, wait, quick stop animation. So as I was saying, not all pieces were the same size. I pick up this one, then I pick up this one, and it's small. Very sad. So basically we're donating blood. So everyone is happy. That's exactly what we're doing, and we're shaping it into little balls and setting it aside. Okay, now once you're done, you're going to grab the filling that we set aside, and we're just going to flatten out the dough that we have already as much as you can. I didn't actually want to rub my hands in cooking oil because I knew everything would be slippery, and I'm not about that life. I'm just letting gravity literally roll it out as I pick it up, and I am just filling it up with a filling. A bit more because we extra. We're gonna pick this up as slowly as we can, not to drop any of the filling out. Focus. Yep, that's it. You can see all that goodness. How we're gonna pinch it is like pinching a dumpling. If you know how to do dumplings, like as myself, you're gonna find this very, very easy. But if not, honestly, just follow this video and you will get it. Don't worry. So as you can see, I'm just grabbing the back of the spoon just to push the filling down a bit more. I don't want to touch the filling with my fingers, as then sugar would be on the outside and then that would be a big mess. So as you can see, I'm just closing up the seal. Yep, it's a seal, and making it round and flattening it. So moving on, we're all done now and it's time to fry. We're using some pure sesame oil, just a little bit, as well as olive oil. Those are the 2 oils that I'm using today. So when it was warming up or warm already, that's when I put the pancakes down. Wait, where's the last one? There we go. The next clip will be a time lapse, so enjoy. And because it's a lot, I will be freezing these and saving it for later. all finished, all nice and crispy. Oh wait, I need some tissue just to soak up all the excess oil, and we're back. Yum yum yum. Now I'm realizing as I get enough tissue that even though I put them on tissue, they weren't really oily. Like, I look at the tissue, wait for it, no oil. Boom. So yeah, but it still looks golden and oh wait, there's oil. Yep. Does still look golden and crispy, which is great. I'm just happy I didn't burn it. Okay, moving on to decorations. As I saw on the box, there were pecans, almonds and pistachios, so I'm just making it look pretty, I guess. And for the extra something, we're gonna add the rest of the sugar just to make it appealing. And if you guys could smell this, oh my gosh, it was a bakery. And here we have a close-up of me just breaking it in half so you guys can see what it's like inside. Thanks for making it to the end of the video, everyone. Please comment grades down below, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay around for more content like this. I post every Monday and Friday at 11 AM, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.